Part of documenting any crime scene is using a camera. We find our camera by opening the CSI kit. Use your controller trigger to grab the camera. It's now attached to your controller. You can now use the trigger on your controller to capture a photograph of anything that you point at. So each time you pull the trigger, you are capturing a photograph and they're being stored. Press the play button up top to see the stored photos. By touching the first one and then paging through each additional photo, you can see that there's a numerical value attached to each photograph that helps you document what photos you have. And so going back and acquiring additional photographs by clicking the trigger on the controller allows you to capture additional photographs. With additional photographs, they're added to your catalog, and you can see them again by just going left and right inside of the collection of photos. Hit the group button and the blue button again, and you're back to your original camera. And that's how the digital camera works in this system.